Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. Today I have this automatic wire stripper and crimping plier set for easy cutting, stripping insulation and crimping. So let's open the box to find out more about this product and how we can use it. We have some manual in a lovely case, very durable case, the crimping plier, soft grip, I like that, plastic here with soft grip, at the back plastic, metal, Parkside on a black and green color. Now let's see one by one what we have at the box. 15 cable ties, the length 100 mm, 15 wires with a length 130 mm, wire and ferrules, .30, .15 red ring terminals for cable diameter 0.5 to 1.5 mm, and another 15 blue ring terminals for cable diameter 1.5 to 2.5 mm. 15 fork red color terminals for cable diameter 0.5 to 1.5 mm, and another 15 blue fork terminals for cable diameter 1.5 to 2.5 mm. 10 splash-proof butt splice connectors, pink color. 20 ferrule crimp connectors. And 15 blue male spade connectors for 1.5 to 2.5 mm cables. And another 15 in red color for 0.5 to 1.5 mm cable. And of course we have in the female spade connectors for 1.5 to 2.5 mm blue color and for 0.5 to 1.5 mm cable. And another 15 red butt connectors for cable diameter 0.5 mm to 1.5 mm, and another 15 here on a blue color butt connectors for 1.5 to 2.5 mm cable diameter. That's all included. Let's move on at the tool. Here we can see 0.5 to 1 mm, 1.5 to 2.5 mm and 4 to 6 mm. You can use the crimping. And on a red we have 0.5 to 1.5 mm, 1.5 to 2.5 mm, it is the blue, and the orange maximum 6 mm. We have the cutter here, automatic wire stripper here. You can adjust the tension coming down on top of the head with this wheel, and with this cable stop you can adjust the length of the cable. If you don't want to use it, just pull that, or if you want to use it, and adjust. It is so easy. And of course you can use so many cables, different types and diameter, starting with this one, .5 mm, both together, very easy. Automatic wire stripper, the 0.75 mm, And of course you can adjust the length. You can use the stop and cut, of course, the cable with a cutter. One millimeter. 1.5. It is so easy to use the wire stripper. 2.5 millimeter. Or 4 millimeter. So easy, I like it. And of course you can use one of these connectors. Let's use the blue with the, okay, there it is, 1.5 millimeter. I need to use the 1.5 to 2.5 millimeter here. Insert that inside. Press, and that was all. So easy. And again, you can use the cutter for any cable. So strong. Even for this 4 millimeter. Very strong cutter. This is the female, let's use and the male. Again the cutter. Press, and that was all. And you can make the connection. And you can pull, it is very strong. Or you can connect two cables together. I will use the red. And it is very strong, I like that. Or you can use the fork terminal, the red. It's very strong. And again, you can use this area for the blue, red and the orange. So many combinations. or you can use the ferrule crimps. There it is. Very strong connection. Or one of these. This versatile tool is must-have for anyone working with electrical wiring, whether you are a professional or DIY enthusiast. The automatic wire stripper feature makes it incredibly easy to strip wires quickly and accurately. Just set the gauge, insert the wire and let the tool do the work. No more guessing or uneven cuts. The crimping pliers allows you to efficiently crimp terminals, connectors and other components, making your electrical projects easier and more reliable. The integrated design ensures that you have both functions in one convenient tool. With adjustable stripping length and crimping pressure, you can customize the tool to suit various wire size and types, ensuring precision and consistency in every task. Built with high-quality materials, the Parkside tool is designed to withstand regular use while maintaining its performance. The ergonomic handle also provides a comfortable grip, reducing hand fatigue during extended use. Whether you are working on automotive wiring, home electrical repairs, or crafting projects, this tool is versatile enough to handle a wide range of applications. It's an essential addition to any toolbox. I hope this review has helped you understand what makes this tool so useful. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more tool reviews and DIY tips. Thanks again for watching and I'll see you in the next video.